Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here at Stock Market Mentor again. And yesterday in my little free chart video, I talked about Tesla and how to trade that stock. You can check it out. It's there for you to see if you haven't. But my thesis was until and unless the stock breaks above 460, actually 462 yesterday, this was a stock that you really didn't want any part of as a trader. If you want to accumulate the stock, fine. As it goes lower, you like it more. But as a trader, you wanted to stay out of it as long as it was still in this box. But the idea is on December 21st, Tesla's being added to the S&P 500. So between now and then, a lot of folks have to buy this stock for their tracking funds, right? And so there's kind of like built-in buying. And my thesis was, until it breaks out above yesterday's high, there's no reason to get it. But once it does break out, get in. And so today we saw that move here. And if you just look at it on the like on the 15-minute chart, right off the bat today, it runs up and then it doesn't do anything for at least an hour into the day. And I had an alert set just at 460. And then as soon as that alert pinged, I went, okay, I'm in, and bought the stock. And then here I am, still actually bought some calls on it as well, just some December calls to trade, to hang on to. And so I'm not trading this for a one-day move, though. That's what I want to get into your head. I'm not trading it for a one-day move. You can see how the stock's gone up so much, but by the way this is trading, if this thing clears 500, it's pretty easy to envision another 100-point move. That's not a prediction. All these knuckleheads give you my price target is this. Yeah, well, sure, whatever. Nobody knows for sure. But the way the chart is looking, the way the stock is going, you kind of have to look at it and say, okay, well, if this thing gets back above 500, then really, truly, nobody's ahead of me. There's nobody that I'm going to run into that wants to sell their shares. That means that everybody who owns the stock is a winner, and we like winners. We're all running together. So I would suggest if you're long the stock, just hang on to it. Take a little profit if you're skittish, if that's what your deal is. But I think you definitely want to hang on to this stock. One of the mistakes that a trader can make is they sell really, really good, solid stocks too soon. We've all heard the story, sell too soon. But you can sell really too soon. And I think this is one of those that if you give it a little bit more leash, it's going to run really well for you. So, all right, that's all I got. Hope you all have a good evening.